Have you ever wondered what love really is? Most people think of love as a feeling. We often say we fall in love as if love just happens. But in The Road Less Traveled by M. Scott Peck, it gives a different definition. He says that is the will to extend oneself for the purpose of nurturing one's own or another person's growth. At first, I thought the definition was complicated, but the more I reflect on it, the more it made sense. Love is not just a feeling, love is a choice. Is it is choosing to help yourself and the people you love to become better every day. This idea reminded me of my own relationship with my husband. Before us getting married, we had so many ups and downs. We argued, had misunderstandings, and sometimes wondered how we could make our relationship work. We were already living together and had a child before our marriage, so we rarely went to church. As a Catholic, we knew our situation did not fully align on the church teachings, and over time, we became distant from our faith. Looking back, I believe that the spiritual growth that Scott Peck was talking about, we were trying to make our relationship work on our own, but something was missing. When we finally got married, we made a commitment not only to each other but also to God. Today, we attend church every week with our children. Our marriage is still not perfect, but our faith has helped us become more patient, communicate better, forgive each other, and continue growing together. For me, that is what real love looks like. I think many people misunderstand love today. We believe that when the excitement fades, love is over. But Scott Beck teaches us that this is actually where the real love begins. Love requires discipline, commitment, honesty, and responsibility. It is not only about making yourselves happy, it is about helping other person grow while growing ourselves. If more people choose this kind of love, I believe our families would become stronger and our communities would become kinder. Love is not about finding the perfect person, it is about choosing that person every day, even during the difficult times. So remember this: anyone can fall in love, but choosing to love is what really makes a difference. And thank you for listening.